Hello RiverWalk community and welcome back. It's hard to believe that just 16 months ago, this was a patch of dirt and grass. And here I stand today on the 3rd story of a beautiful building in a nearly finished unit. We've got granite countertops in the kitchen area, the bathroom tile is nearly done, the cabinets are done, and we're just waiting for the countertops in that area as well. I can say the same for most of the other levels in the building. There's also a lot of work happening on the exterior with the siding and as well as preparation for the paving of the new entryway and parking lots. I'll show that to you soon, don't worry. What I did want to tell you is that in the next couple months, we're going to start showcasing our business partners. So you'll be seeing some folks from the winery, from the spa, from the new additional restaurant, and of course the grand ballroom as well. So keep an eye out for those players coming up in the next month's videos. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy.